listening to Stray Kids while I get the outfits ready, so I won't be able to talk. Hi guys, I'm just gonna be doing some, I don't know, manifesting, if you believe in that. Just like writing plans I have for myself in the future. I'm not gonna show you guys the paper because I haven't seen my wife in so long. Oh, bitch! Do you hate me now? Oh. It's so bright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to get ready. So, daisuke is Japanese, right? I haven't had natto in ages, so I'm gonna be trying it again. And doing my makeup like daisuke. Daisuke. Let me pull up the phone. That would be smart.
Yeah, so this is very fitting. And the food is
Reference.
It just dies so easily, and I think I just think about that way too much.
I can't see it.
Or not, because for me, when people are, if I'm ever worried about, let's say, botulism in a can of food, or
in a weird way, until I'm back and I'm like,
right, and then a slice of serrano. Please, in
quarantine for 2 weeks in a row, and this was like the only thing that brought me any joy. This is fair. Well, there's that one dish I really like.
building world or being present to creation more so than anything.
I think so.
I think it's incredible. As somebody who's
Musician's going to go here, if I'm being honest. That is the one thing I like to create.
you know, had a really touching tribute to him, and it was very much the opposite of
And like how, in his energy,
Looks really good. Surprisingly. I do have some small tweaks that I need to make though. No. Good enough. We're gonna move on to the hair later. Jesus Christ, it's hot. Let's try the natto. I haven't had it in like years. I don't know if I still like it.
focus on yourself, focus on your own. Just think I think about people's minds being broken. So like it doesn't even make me feel like angry. I'm just like, angry. And I just feel so bad.
It's the biggest regret in life.
Oh god.
Yeah, I know. Gosh,
Wait, that's
like, let's figure it out. Let's solve some things here. Really not pretending relationships are, you know, not just stepping up. I could have, it would have been a 3-second text. We were 3 seconds.
We just
Thank you so much for being on the Speak your last word. I'm super emotional. That's very unfair. I'm no.
arrived in school, guys. Sorry, I thought the shadow was my teacher coming in. My beautiful mom, my friend, made this for me because Daisuke has it. Some quick makeup touch-ups. Bro, Stray Kids' new album, I fucking love it, bro. What the fuck? Okay. Hey guys, today went well. You might be wondering what the fuck I'm so red. I was dancing Walking on Water by Stray Kids multiple times trying to learn it. I learned half of it, now I just gotta work more. And today went really well. Apart from my period coming, me and my friend danced in the music rooms for like over an hour, and we learned I Like It by Stray Kids. I taught her how to dance I Like It. But today went really well, and I'm sweating my fucking ass off right now. Anyway, today went well, and I'm fucking dying, so I'm gonna go take a shower and see you tomorrow when I'm dressed formally like an adult. Mwah. Morning. Why does my stomach hurt? Don't know. That's not gonna stop me. Outfit time. My breakfast. I'm gonna be doing makeup. My favorite songs right now is basically Stray Kids' new album, Hop. Like especially like Hana Lino's. Done. I have classes as well. Okay, surprisingly, eye makeup stayed on. Whoa! Anyway, I bought the Stray Kids Pop album because this album is probably one of my favorites of theirs, and I've been a fan since like 2020 because it just fits like my style outside of Kpop as well. So I'm really fucking excited. Anyway, this is the album. I got the limited edition one because I'm fucking addicted. I'm gonna prepare the Secret Santa present, which I bought a bag for. Isn't this cute? That's fucking hella cute. What the fuck? I bought some miso soup for me for tomorrow. Remember in my last video I was talking about Secret Santa? Yeah, this is a separate one. This one is for my mentor, advisory, homeroom. What is it called? Anyway. Splash. Let me unbox it. Right here, right now. Oh, I also got these two cute stickers for myself. Like, tell me what the fuck? I got it. First I time, bro. First ever Han photo card. Okay. Whoa! I love this. I've never been so lucky with the album pull. Oh, by the way, if I ever move in the future, I'm taking all of those fucking albums with me and putting them all over the fucking walls. Single Nino. Oh, never mind. This is so cool. Tweaking. Okay. Yeah, focus on me. Thank you. Favorite album. Favorite album. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. And I have a Han photo card. Anyway. Why can't I? Like, okay, like there's a specific thing. Like when guys just wear a simple t-shirt and jeans and they manage to make it look so good. Like, why can't I? What? I've been a fan for over 4 years. Hi. This took a really long time to set up, so I'm gonna wash my face now. I thought it would be interesting to share it because I'm wearing false eyelashes. If y'all are curious. Let's start. Isn't that delicious? Baby oil. Just I'm gonna show y'all a fucking delicious smelling ass fucking toner that I have. This toner smells like strawberry milk. We're done. Hello y'all. Now I'm gonna be drawing and journaling. Well, technically not journaling. This is my calendar, but I do my calendar like this. Very cutesy, right? Very cutesy. And I'm gonna use one of these cute ass cat stickers. Morning cunties. Since today's fit is really fucking easy, Like, today's fit is really easy. It's literally just baggy pants, this, and this. So, would it be interesting? I'm gonna go do my simple everyday makeup. If you told me that this burger was plant-based, I wouldn't believe you.